Hey YouTube, this is Ariel Nichole. So as you can see, Houston is not looking too well due to Hurricane Harvey. Everyone is basically stuck at their homes right now. We can't even evacuate and go to another city at the moment. It's like really bad out here, so we're just hoping and praying that things will get better and that this storm will calm and that the water can drain, because we are all like basically stuck at our houses. If we're not stuck at our houses, we are evacuating and they're taking people. I don't even know where they're taking people. Even the hospitals are evacuating. So we're just praying for things to get better out here, and so far I'm fine. It's just a little flooding in my neighborhood, which is I'm praying that it goes down, and I'm praying things will work out, and I'm praying for those in Houston. And not only Houston is looking bad, I mean like the whole Texas, like Corpus Christi, Victoria, down in the Gulf area, it's pretty bad out there too. So I'm just praying for really the whole Texas. Like you can see the news right here, and it's just terrible. Things are terrible out here.
Otherwise, just heavy rain, but a lot of heavy rain. Every one of these bands is producing another 1 to 2 inches of rain.
All right, Tim. We have our sports producer, Joe. He is trapped in his house. This is out on the west side at Voss and I think San Felipe. There's a live look with Joe's camera, and I know Joe.
This is like so crazy. And they're saying for people to not go to your attics, go to on your roof, so people can see you. Go on your roof. Do not go in your attic. That is the worst place to go. The city is underwater. 1,000 rescuees in Harris County, Houston. This is crazy. So this is my neighborhood. Hurricane Harvey has done this to my neighborhood, and we never flood out. So this is crazy.